Welcome to this chapter overview from Aviation Human Factors, Theory, Research and Applications for Advanced Aviation Systems by Ziakkas and Pechlivanis, CRC Press. This presentation introduces Chapter 14, Research Methods in Aviation Human Factors. Why does this chapter matter? Because method follows the question. The design must fit what you are asking. The chapter addresses research methods across 6 dimensions, from epistemological foundations and design typology through experimental, observational, and mixed methods. The through line: methods are epistemological commitments. The design you choose decides what your evidence can and cannot claim. By the end of the chapter, you will be able to evaluate the epistemological positions underpinning positivist and interpretivist research, evaluate the design features of the principal study types, apply Braun and Clarke's reflexive thematic analysis, design a simulator-based human factors study, apply the statistical test selection framework, and evaluate construct validity and measurement. The chapter unfolds in 6 moves, beginning with research design and evidence building, then moving through experimental, observational, and mixed methods, measurement and analysis, qualitative approaches, simulator-based research, and the ethics and reporting standards that make findings trustworthy. The one idea to hold on to: methods are epistemological commitments. The research design you choose determines in advance what kind of claim your evidence can support. So start with the question and let it select the method. The spotlight concept is designing a study. Question first. The aim decides the design. Match the method: experiment, survey, simulation, or interview. And validity and ethics: measure what you claim to measure and protect the people you study. The case that ties the chapter together is Pechlivanis and Harris, 2025. A worked example of building a real aviation human factors study, end-to-end, from question through design to analysis and reporting. It is worked through in full inside the chapter. From theory to practice, 3 habits. When designing any safety study, start with the research question and select the method that best answers it, not the one most familiar. Before publishing NASA-TLX or SAGAT data, check and report the distributional properties, including normality, skewness, and kurtosis. And in any reflexive thematic analysis destined for a regulatory audience, conduct and report the dual-coder reliability check. That is Chapter 14, Research Methods in Aviation Human Factors. Method follows the question. Read the full chapter in Aviation Human Factors, Ziakkas and Pechlivanis, CRC Press, 2026. Thank you for watching.